So hello guys, my name is Harsh and today I am making this video in English language because I found that many of my audience is from English speaking countries like UK, Canada, Switzerland and many more countries which are English speaking country. So in this video I am going to talk about best things about Unity Ads. Unity Ads is one of the best ad network where you can use it in your application. Okay, so the first one is ecpm stable. Okay, the ecpm is stable here, so that if you have seen that in many other ad network there are very fluctuating ecpms, but in this ad network the ecpm is very stable and you can easily earn from that. Yes, you can easily make money through that because you are getting your payment, you are getting your earning consistently. Okay, you are getting your earning consistent. Okay, so the second thing is that you have moderate ecpm. What is moderate ecpm? Not very high ecpm you will get, not very low ecpm. You will get ecpm in such a way that you can do a good earning. Okay, many people say that Unity Ads is very bad because of its ecpm, but I say that ecpm is very good here and you can use it. It is from my experience. I have checked on Google Chrome, I have checked, but the experience comes from you more valuable. Okay, so I am giving you my experience. Okay, so the third one, ads quality. The ads quality we will receive here is absolutely great. Okay, Unity Ads is one of the best ad network where you can use your ad in your application and you can integrate ads in your application. Okay, you can integrate banner ads, interstitial ads and rewarded ads in your application and you can easily earn money from that. Okay, the quality of the ad is very good and you the main thing is that if you use a game application then Unity Ads works the best. Okay, you can use any application, you can implement your ads in any application, but the game application is widely used and the ad run very great. Okay, but you should understand that you should integrate the latest SDK. The latest SDK is 4.0.1 and if you integrate that SDK in your application, so your ads will work in more better way. Okay, your app will not create any load on the app. Okay,